And we're back to learn CapCut in the year day 62. Let me show you the AI expand. You can actually use it to crop videos. So I've got a number 16 here, and let's say we want to turn it into 16 by 9. Actually used this feature already, and you can see at the bottom, not a bad job. You can still see a little bit of the fragments, but we're going there. It's going to get better in the future, I'm sure. Let me show you how it's done. I import the original again. It was a 9 by 16, and I want to have it as 16 by 9. Under Video Basics, scroll down until you can find it, AI Expand, open the drop down. Keep in mind your clip cannot be longer than 10 seconds. So let me split it here after just 2 seconds and I delete the rest. That's enough to show the effect. So again, Video Basics, scroll down until you can find AI Expand, check the box. You have to be logged in, so make sure to have a TikTok account, for example, or sign in via Google. Then set the aspect ratio here to the same that you have down here below the preview window, and then generate. So it's going to generate an AI image for every frame where this checkerboard design is, and that's why I made sure that the aspect ratio is the same here for AI Expand than it is for my video project. And then simply wait. Depending on how long the clip is, going to take longer or get processed faster. And here we have it. And once more, you can see the edges. There are a little bit of fragments here and there. But if you wouldn't know that this is AI expanded, you might actually already get away with it. And as I've said, these AI models, they get better and better over time. Currently, that's a free feature. That's why I've covered it here. As always with CapCut, they like to introduce this stuff for free, and then at some point it becomes a pro feature. So I don't count on it being free in the future, but for now it is. Hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.